Good morning, class 12. Student, exercise 5.5 is continue. Topic differentiation. It is question number 6. Question is y equal to x plus 1 upon x whole power x plus x power 1 plus 1 upon x. Student, to differentiate it, we will suppose y equal to u plus b. Now, u equal to x plus 1 upon x whole power x. Then taking log, both sides, log of u equal to x log x plus 1 upon x. Now to differentiate it, we will apply the product rule. So 1 upon u du over dx is equal to u as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So it is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square plus log x plus 1 upon x into 1. It is derivative of x. Now we will take the LCM. LCM is x. So it is x square upon x square plus 1 into, here x square is also the LCM, then it is x square minus 1. This x square cancel plus log of x plus 1 upon x. Now du over dx is equal to x plus 1 upon x whole power x into bracket x square minus 1 plus x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 upon x. It is du over dx. To differentiate x power 1 plus 1 upon x, let it is v. Straight now, v equal to x power 1 plus 1 upon x. We will take log. So log v equal to 1 plus 1 upon x into log x. Now, differentiate this with respect to x. So it is 1 upon b. dv over dx is equal to derivative of 1 plus 1 upon x, it is 0 minus 1 upon x square into log x as it is plus 1 plus 1 upon x and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So dv over dx is equal to value of v is x power 1 plus 1 upon x into, we will write positive term first. So 1 upon x into 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square into log x. Now to find dy over dx, we will add these both the derivative du over dx plus dv over dx. Student, so dy over dx is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. Therefore, it is x plus 1 upon x whole power x bracket x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x plus x power 1 plus 1 upon x into bracket 1 upon x 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x log x. It is the derivative of the given function. Student, now next is question number 7. Question is y equal to log x power x plus x power log x. Student, we will suppose y equal to u plus b. Then u equal to log x whole power x. Then b. Then take the log, taking log both sides. Then log u equal to x log of log x. Now it is 1 upon u du over dx is equal to x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon log x into 1 upon x plus log x as it is into 1. Now du over dx equal to log x whole power x bracket. Here x cancel out. So it is 1 upon log x plus log x. It is du over dx. So now b equal to x power log x. Then taking log both sides. Now log b equal to log x into log x. So it is log x whole square. Then derivative of this is 1 upon b dv over dx equal to differentiate this we will apply the chain rule. So it is 2 log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Now dv over dx is equal to log x power log x into 2 upon log x into 2 upon x into log x. So dy over dx is equal to log x power x bracket 1 upon log x plus log x plus 2 into x power log x minus 1 into log x. Since we can write log x upon x equal to x power log x minus 1. So this is the dy over dx. dy over dx is log x power x bracket 1 upon log x plus log x. It is log x plus 2 into x power log x minus 1 into log x. It is dy over dx.